Idol, it's day 2 dito sa hospital. Sobrang, ngayon kahapon, so sobrang wala akong ginawa and siguro dating din na ang dami kong iniisip. Hi dolls! Welcome back to my channel. Today, gusto ko lang i-chika habang tayo ay nag-cha-cha-a. May pag-rhyme na nangyayari. We're having tea kasi it is 3 a.m. in the morning. Tapos, it's Saturday. So, tapos na yung work week ko. Wala lang. I just thought I'd cap the work week off with a quick vlog lang, an update on what happened, yung sinasabi ko dun sa video ng Dyson, kung bakit ako late sa mga video, sa filming, sa edits, mga ganon. Yun, so I thought I'd finally share what happened. Lipton green tea tayo ngayon. Kasi nga I have started intermittent fasting. So, it's my 7th day na pala and I'm on my fasting window right now. So, I only drink tea. Hindi ko pa na-try mag-coffee while I'm on my fasting window. Maybe tomorrow morning, let's try that. Mag-black coffee lang kasi those are allowed naman for when you're on a fasted state. But anyway, siguro maganda rin siyang start why I'm doing intermittent fasting kasi with the recent events that's been happening, I think, or I had to rethink, diba, about, my lifestyle, my family's lifestyle din, actually. So, ang nangyari talaga, and I don't want to bore you with all the, gruesome details, ayoko rin magdrama as much as possible. So, siguro, ang gusto ko lang i-share is really the realizations, for the past week. So, let's start with, ano bang nangyari? Ano ba tong chinichika ko sa inyo? So, as you know, you already have a husband, right? Kasi na-hospital siya. That 4 days ng stay namin sa hospital, I'd say is very parang siyang rude awakening sa amin, for sa akin at least, and I think sa kanya din naman. So ayun, parang yung days na naghihintay lang kami sa ospital, yung hintay, dun medyo nakapraning, diba, yung ganun. But all the while, I'm also thankful to God for giving me, family and friends na talagang nag-check sa akin. Actually, dolls, yung pag-check pala sa friends ninyo, kasi dati ang thinking ko is that if merong nasa ospital or meron namang problema, hayaan mo muna, parang give them space, maybe send a message lang, pero hayaan mo muna, kasi nga syempre namin yung iniisip, maybe dami rin yung ginagawa. So I keep my space. But when it happened to me and I've received parang ang daming nag-check sa akin, and of course to my hubby, iba pala yung impact niya, as in parang somehow I felt na may kasama ako, yung I felt backed up, I felt hindi ako nag-iisa, kaya yun, so parang sobrang thankful ako to my family and friends na nandyan talagang sumuporta sa akin, even mga workmates ko. Wala akong masabi. As in, super thankful talaga ako. So, yun. Nagkasakit si husband. And then, after ng hospitalization, syempre, merong recovery period. Sa recovery period, syempre, hindi naman, hindi agad-agad, diba? So, parang, syempre, yung mga hindi ko muna pinapakilos and everything, na no strenuous activities muna for him. So, sa part ko, syempre, medyo nakakapagod. Pero at the same time, mas relieved ako na nakauwi na kami. Kaso, after a few days, siguro now that my body's on a rested state, hindi na ako sobrang worried, ako naman yung nagkasakit. Feeling ko sa ano rin naman yun, sa stress, yung ganun. So, ako naman yung nagkasakit. So, fact na my husband cannot edit yet, and then I cannot film anything yet. Talagang nausog yung mga naiwang videos, nausog yung mga naiwan na kailangan kong i-film. And then, I thought I'd give ourselves, syempre ako rin, some time to really recover. Kasi nga, medyo nagkasakit din ako ng konti eh. So, parang sabi ko, ano lang muna, papagaling muna ako ng konti. Kasi totoo lang, it's mentally and physically exhausting. Diba? So, financially din. Financially din, it's exhausting. So, yun. Parang sabi ko, papapahin ko muna yung sarili ko before I go back to filming, before I go back to editing. Medyo nag-edit din naman ako, pero yung final say talaga kasi si husband yung final touches. So, yun. So, yun yung mga nangyari. I wanna go naman sa realizations. I would say, dolls, please take care of your health. As in, prioritize your health. Una sa lahat, ang mahal. Ang mahal ma-hospital ngayon. Kasi nga, syempre, lahat ng, may nadagdag na COVID-related, PPE and such. Madadagdag sa bill mo eh. Tapos, basta ang mahal. mahal naman, kahit na nung lang COVID, diba? Mahal magpa-hospital. Pero lalo na ngayon, kasi nga, may mga additional and everything. So, prioritize your health, dolls. Aside from mahal, toxic yung mga tao ngayon doon. I'm not saying it in a bad way. I'm saying it na literal, talagang pagod yung mga tao. Pagod yung mga nurse. Pagod yung mga doktor. Ang dami nilang inaasikaso. In a way, I don't know maybe that's one of the reasons then why ang tagal nung process sa amin. Yung kunyari, discharge na lang sinabihan kami pwede kaming ma-send home na ng around 6 a.m. if I'm not mistaken. Nakalabas kami ng oras na 5 p.m. na yata. Yung ganun. Kasi sobrang sobrang sila ngayon, pagod. Sobrang exhausted yung mga tao. So, if kaya mong i-prevent na hindi ka mahirapan dahil magkakasakit ka and hindi na rin sila mahirapan, diba? Do what you can. As in. Yun. So, yung sa hospital, it's mahal. And then, mahirap ngayon yung lagay. Third is that buti dun sa hospital na napuntahan namin, pwede yung isang magbabantay. Kasi, ang alam ko hindi ako entirely sure, but other hospitals, hindi sila pumapayag na merong kasama. So, si patient lang yun nandun. Parang for me, mas naman yun, mas nakaka-stress for me, diba, na gusto kong nandoon sa tabi ng asawa ko, kumbaga. And then, dun din sa part ng patient, parang, isa ko dito, nangyayari, yung ganun. Tapos, kung may mga kailangan ng patient, baka hindi mabigay agad, yung mga ganun. So, thankful pa rin ako na, diba, andun ako, na may protocol na pwedeng merong isang kasama. Kasi yung iba wala. So, paano na yung patient, diba? So, yun, please, dolls, prioritize your health talaga. And then, second din, another realization that I have is that, kapag, parang all else fails, trust talaga kay Lord. As in, kasi may moments ako doon sa hospital wherein talagang lost ako at lost talaga ako. But I am very, very thankful na parang kahit last minute, yung mga last minute na kaba moments ko, napo-provide yung ganun na parang, parang somehow teaching me na God is in control. Parang, oo, hindi mo makokontrol talaga ang mga bagay-bagay. But don't worry. Alam mo yun, naririnig ka niya, pinapakinggan ka niya. So, just keep on praying, keep your faith. Also, another realization is your family and friends talaga, check on them. Kasi it really helps na alam mo merong nag-care about you, about your family. In fairness, iba yung impact niya. Kahit na sabihin natin kaya naman yan, di ba? Ano pa rin, at the end of the day, yung mga gantong feat is draining talaga ng whatever madidrain niya sa'yo, yung ganon. So, keep your family and friends close talaga, especially these days. Ayun, so, ayun lang. Yun lang yung parang I really gave myself some time lang muna to rest and recover. And then ito, we will get back na and get grinding. So you will see me and so you will see me na ulit filming siguro in a few days you'll see me na ulit filming and hopefully yung mga vibe ko doon is mas lighter na vibe. Hindi na medyo dramatic. Actually, in fairness, I wanna congratulate myself. Hindi ako umiyak on this video. Pero yun, ayoko rin sana kasi talaga magdrama. Ayun lang. I don't wanna give out so much details. I hope you'd understand. Thank you for listening and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye, dolls!